When winter hits Cedar Rapids, your furnace becomes the hero of your home, and Novak wants to help you keep it running strong. Skipping your winter HVAC tune-up might seem harmless, but it could lead to unexpected breakdowns, higher energy bills, and a shorter system lifespan. Regular maintenance from Novak means catching small problems before they turn into expensive repairs, and making sure your furnace operates safely and efficiently all season long. During a tune-up, Novak's technicians inspect, clean, and test all the crucial parts of your system, helping prevent midwinter surprises. A neglected furnace often works harder, costing you more on energy and leaving you with uneven temperatures or even safety risks. Plus, skipping maintenance can void your manufacturer's warranty, leading to out-of-pocket expenses. Don't wait for a problem to strike on the coldest night of the year. Call Novak today at 319-364-4626 to schedule your winter furnace tune-up and stay comfortable all winter long.